The price of gold is down about $180 or 4.12%. I'll talk about what that has done to the technicals in this video. So let's get started. In yesterday's video, I spoke about how the price had fallen below the 100-hour moving average. That's a blue line in this chart, but then quickly rebounded and found support here against the 100-hour moving average, giving the buyers a go ahead to push to the upside. The problem with the upside is that we reached the next target. The next target was at the high prices from last week's trading at 4381.48, and we found willing sellers against that level, and that started this rotation to the downside, which picked up speed and then fell below the 100-hour moving average. You can see that here, and in this time, instead of finding support against the level, we found resistance against the level right here and pushed off even further to the downside. Where did we go? Well, we went into this the correction zone of the last move to the upside. That's this trend move from this low right here to this high. Oops, let me get on it. From this low to this high. The 38.2 to 50% retracement is what I define as the correction zone. We also tested the 200-hour moving average at the near the low of that correction zone, near the 50% retracement, and so far we found willing buyers against that level on the first test. We're currently trading at 4185.425, the 50%, and the 200-hour moving average is near 4162.28. So support buyers are trying to hold against that moving average, against the 50% retracement of that last trend move to the upside. And if they can do that and get back above the 38.2% retracement, it gives buyers some hope that the low is in place, that the correction zone held, that the 200-hour moving average held. Conversely, if the price were to move back up or below these levels, then we're in for a further corrective move to the downside for this pair, and we'll start to look toward other targets, including the $4,110 level and probably the $4,100 level as well as the next key targets for the pair. Also, pay attention to this area right here at 4059, which happened to be the swing high prices from over here and here and here before breaking to the upside and starting a rotation higher. So that's my technical look at gold. It's making a big corrective move to the downside, but trying to hold on to support. We'll see if it can continue to do that. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.